Hi, I'm Dr. Holger Claus, your UV light expert, and in this episode of 2 minutes and 22 seconds with me, Dr. Holger, I want to show you how a new UV light technology is bringing people together. In our very first episode, I talked about the different types of UV light and how traditional UVC has been used to disinfect, but it can't be used with people present. Until now. Researchers have found that the very short wavelengths of UVC light have similar disinfection capabilities as the other wavelengths. But they don't penetrate the upper layers of our skin and eyes, so they don't damage the living cells below, making them much safer than traditional UVC. Researchers call this wavelength range Far UVC. This allows the Far UVC light to safely deactivate bacteria and other pathogens on surfaces and in the air, reducing the spread of disease while people are present. In turn, this light creates a safer and more sanitary space, allowing us to bring people together. Now you know why Far UVC light is much safer. It's a carefree solution. I will cover more on that in upcoming episodes. If you have any questions about Far UVC light, leave your comments below and I will try to answer them in future episodes. Until next time, stay safe and clean.